In today's world, the allure of owning or renting a car is undeniable. However, there are compelling reasons to reconsider this traditional approach to transportation. Understanding these reasons can lead to more financially sound and environmentally friendly decisions. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about loan payments, insurance maintenance, or unexpected repair costs. Financially, cars can be a significant burden. The initial cost of purchasing a car is just the beginning. With monthly loan payments, insurance premiums, fuel costs, and regular maintenance, owning a car can quickly drain your finances. Even renting a car, which might seem like a cheaper alternative, involves a continuous outflow of money with no return on investment. Imagine the relief of redirecting those funds toward savings, investments, or experiences that truly enrich your life. Consider the environmental impact. Cars are a major source of pollution, contributing to carbon emissions and the deterioration of air quality. By choosing not to own or rent a car, you reduce your carbon footprint significantly. Public transportation, biking, and walking offer greener alternatives that minimize environmental damage. Picture yourself contributing to cleaner air and a healthier planet. There's a community and lifestyle aspect to consider as well. Dependence on cars has led to urban sprawl and a disconnection from community life. Opting for public transport, biking, or walking encourages a more active lifestyle and greater interaction with your surroundings and neighbors. This fosters a sense of community and contributes to a healthier, more connected society. Imagine yourself walking to a nearby cafe, engaging with local vendors, and enjoying the simple pleasures of your neighborhood. Convenience and stress reduction are other important factors. Finding parking, dealing with traffic, and maintaining a vehicle can all be sources of stress. By avoiding car ownership or rental, you eliminate these hassles from your daily routine. Public transit systems, ride-sharing apps, and other alternative modes of transport offer flexibility and convenience without the associated stress of car ownership. Choosing not to buy or rent a car opens up a realm of opportunities. It encourages more sustainable, community-oriented, and financially prudent living. While it might seem like a radical shift, the benefits far outweigh the traditional notion of needing a car. Imagine the freedom that comes from not being tethered to a vehicle, allowing yourself more mobility in a broader sense. Instead of the car dictating your lifestyle, you can choose a life that's rich with experience and connection.